Marco, she had to talk while I was videoing. The bastard.
Oh!
Whoa! That's gonna be loud.
Holy shit! Did you get that?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Send that shit to me.
Send it.
I got the end of it. Yeah, I got the very end.
I'm doing the whole fucking shit.
Let me see what
I'm still. Oh! That was just out of frame.
I got that one.
You'll start with that guy
That
that.
tornado's reforming.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is.
That's cool as fuck.
It's cool as long as it stays over fucking there.
Yeah.
That wall of death.
See, there's no rotation in any of these. These are just straight line moving. Nick, what is it?
No idea. I'm gonna go through another 15 different